Welcome to Casa Sur, a stunning beachfront villa in Amapas, right next to Puerto Vallarta romantic zone. This stunning oceanfront home with three spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, spread across three levels, welcome you with an stunning living room, dining area, and fully equipped kitchen. On the second level, we have two spacious bedrooms, each with a full bathroom. The master bedroom with one of the best Puerto Vallarta's view. On the lowest level, you find the three bedrooms, exceptionally spacious and complete with its own full bathroom, offering both convenience and independence. On the main level, you'll see amazing living room, dining area, and the kitchen. The living room is a beautifully decorated, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that perfectly complements the oceanfront settings. The living and dining area flow seamlessly into the kitchen, creating the perfect space to gather with family and friends. The kitchen is fully equipped, featuring modern appliances and thoughtful design that make cooking and entertaining effortless. For guests and everyday comfort, the home also includes a half bathroom, ensure practicality throughout the space. First bedroom on the second level features its own cozy TV lounge perfect for movies, abundant natural light, and a full bathroom, offering both comfort and versatility. Primary bed from the very first step, the ocean views take center stage, filling every corner with natural light and unique energy. The primary bedroom offers one of the finest views in Puerto Vallarta, with a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire bay. It features a full bathroom and private jacuzzi designed to surprise and delight in every detail. The jacuzzi features a retractable roof that's open to the sky, letting in natural sunlight during the day and offering a perfect spot for stargazing at night. The three-bedroom features direct ocean views, a private TV lounge, and a full bathroom. This level also includes the laundry area, parking, and seamlessly access to terrace and open space. The terrace is incredible feature a stylish lounge area, a refreshing pool and panoramic ocean views, perfect for relaxing, entertaining and enjoying unforgettable sunsets. Casa Sur is just 10 minutes walk from Playa Los Muertos and the iconic Los Muertos Pier, where you can catch a water taxi to explore the stunning southern beach like Playa Gemelas, Mismaloya, Los Arcos, and any more. The culinary scene near Playa Los Muertos is also incredibly diverse. You'll find iconic spots like La Palapa, where you can enjoy a delicious meal with stunning ocean views. Just step away Archie's Walk, one of Puerto Vallarta's most popular Asian fusion restaurants. And for breakfast lovers, Coco's Kitchen is a local favorite, known for serving the best breakfast in town. When the sun goes down, Puerto Vallarta's nightlife comes alive. You can enjoy a vibrant evening at Margarita Time, a magical, warm, and authentically Mexican spot with great food, drinks, music, and atmosphere. Enjoy a peaceful walk to Island del Rio Cuale, known for its scenic bridges, artisan markets, and culture vibe. If you like this property, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more information, contact us or visit mexlife.com. Thank you for watching.